How to change language on YouTube application. First of all, you have to make sure that you have updated version of YouTube application. If you do not have it, then go through your app store and update your application as soon as possible. Once you do that, simply launch your YouTube application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the setting gear icon from the top right corner and go to the general. There you'll see app language, tap on it. Here it says you have to add an additional language to your iOS device. To add the additional language, you have to simply launch your settings on your device. From here, go through the general and select language and region. Once you go through the language and region, there you will see add language option. Simply tap on it and choose any language you want on your YouTube. Once you select that, you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily change language on YouTube application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.